Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Let's do your attendance first. Attendance link.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Attendance link in the chat box. Please click on the link. And this is your password.
Then, teacher.
All done with your attendance?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, if you are done, we can start on our lesson for today. All right, so welcome back to your English lesson. Today, I'm going to teach you a very, very important thing. So by the end of our class today, you should be able to differentiate, kena tahu bezakan lah, where to use an, some, and any. Okay, so kalau perkataan a and an, there's two. By now you should know. Okay, dah 11 tahun sekarang sudah kena tahulah mana nak guna a, mana nak guna an. But today you have to learn where to use the word some and when to use the word any. Okay? And we are also going to write sentences and tell us about your town. So we have now moved on to a topic where you will talk about your town. That is your first topic, chapter 1. So we are going to learn where to use the word a and some and any. Okay? So, before we move on to that, kalau nak bagi tahu ada benda atau tidak ada benda, ada sesuatu atau tidak ada sesuatu, how do we say? You can use the word there is, there are. Kalau ada lah. Kalau tidak ada, if you don't have, you say there isn't or there aren't. Alright? So let's look at an example. There is a book on the table. Ada buku atas meja, you say there is. Gunalah perkataan there is. Kalau tiada, what do you say? There. Kalau tiada, what is it? There isn't.
There isn't.
Good. There isn't a book on the table.
Yeah.
Kalau ada banyak buku pula, what do you say? There are 4 books on the table. Kalau tiada buku, there aren't any books.
There aren't.
Okay, there aren't any books on the table. Now let's see. Can you tell me what should I write here for the first image?
There is.
There is. Good. There is a cup on the table. Kalau tak ada, what do I say?
There isn't.
Yeah.
Okay, there isn't. Kalau tak ada. Kalau ada banyak, what do I say?
There
There
are.
are.
There are.
Very good. There are 4 cups on the table. Kalau tiada langsung, there aren't any cups on the table. All right. So you're clear now where to use there is, there isn't, there are, there aren't. Kalau ada, gunalah there is atau there are. There is kita guna untuk satu, there are untuk banyak. There isn't, there aren't. Tak ada, tiada. Alright? Okay. So let's move on to our topic for today. First, we are going to learn where to use a, where to use an, where to use some, and where to use any. Now, let's see. Can you tell me when to use a? Bila kita boleh guna a? Apa yang kamu rasa?
Apple.
Untuk benda singular.
Okay. Singular betul. Lagi?
One.
Singular tu one lah. Singular tu maksudnya one. Okay. How about n? Mana kita guna n? Where do we use n?
An apple.
Okay, kenapa guna an apple?
Sebab banyak.
Banyak. Are you sure? Yang lain, mana kita guna n? Adra?
Kat singular dia juga.
Kat singular juga. Apa perbezaan? Kenapa ada a, ada n? Apa perbezaan? Mana kita nak tahu? Alright, we will go and study this. So by the end of the class, nanti teacher tanya benda yang sama, mana nak guna a, mana nak guna n, mestilah tahu. Okay, you must know. Alright, so let's go and see. We use the word Bashar good. We use the word a, okay? A is used for singular countable noun. So betul lah siapa yang kata tadi tu singular kita guna untuk one. Kalau ada satu barang, satu orang, we use a. We use a for countable nouns. Apa maksud countable nouns?
Satu benda saja.
Countable. Yes, yang boleh kira. Kalau satu benda yang boleh kira, you use the word a. Gunalah a. For example, a cafe. Boleh kira ke tak?
Boleh?
Boleh.
Cafe boleh kira. Cafe ada berapa kat sana? How many do we have?
One.
One. So, there's a cafe in my town. Because there's only one. How many books can you see? How many books can you see?
One.
One. Can you count book?
Yes.
Yes. So you use a. That's a book on the table. Can you count a car?
Yes.
How many cars can you
One.
see? One.
One.
So I have a big car. Okay. We use a for all countable nouns. But you must have only one. Mesti ada satu sahaja. And it must be benda yang boleh dikira. And another important thing is a you must use with a consonant sound. Consonant sound maksudnya huruf C, D, F, G, H sampailah dia pergi ke Z tu. Alright? Huruf consonant. You can use a. Okay? Now, do you have your English exercise book?
Yes.
Your exercise book. Now, I want you to copy this in the box. The one in the box. Copy this, the one in the box. Walaupun kamu ada nota, cikgu bagi kotak ni, cikgu bagi kosong ya. Because I want you to write. So, please copy this.
Dah. Then teacher.
Alright, all done?
I'm done.
Okay, so you
Yeah.
can see there is a. Kita guna ayat there is a untuk satu benda yang boleh dikira. One countable nouns. Tapi kalau tak adalah benda tu, you say there isn't a. Okay? Kalau ada guna there is a. Kalau tak ada, tiada, there isn't a. Next one, we are going to look for the word N. N is used for singular countable nouns. Benda yang sama. Singular means? What is singular?
One.
One. What is countable?
Boleh dikira.
Boleh kira.
Boleh kira.
Alright, boleh kira. Apa perbezaannya dengan a?
Vowel sound.
Yes.
Untuk vowel.
N guna untuk vowel sound. What are your vowel sounds? Apa tu vowel?
A, E, I, O, U.
Very good. A, E, I, O, U. So mana boleh guna N? You can use it for words that begin with A, E, I, O, U. For example, what is this? Umbrella. So umbrella starts with the letter
You.
U. Yes. Ada berapa? How many do you have?
One.
One. Can you count umbrella?
Yes.
Yes. So what must you
Yes.
use? Use N.
N.
There's N umbrella. Sebab ada N satu boleh dikira and you also have U. Mestilah guna N umbrella. Next one, N old castle.
Oh.
Kenapa guna N?
Sebab ada O. Sebab ada O.
Sebab ada O. Yes, very good. Sebab ada O. That's an old castle in Britain. Kenapa tak boleh guna a? Sebab ada?
Oh.
Sebab ada
Dia
O.
vowel.
Very good. Because it's a vowel and it has an O, so you must use N. Okay? How about the last one? An hour. Why did teacher use N? Kenapa teacher guna N? Tapi H tu bukannya dalam vowel pun.
Sebab sebelah dia O.
So kalau roti, cikgu guna N roti. Sebab ada O sebelah tu.
No.
Okay. But it is correct lah. Little correct, Alia. Now, our tu, how do we pronounce? Bagaimana kita sebut our?
Our.
Oh.
Kita ada sebut tak H tu?
Tak.
Tak ada.
No. Sebab itulah kita, that's why we have to use N. Why? Because we cannot, silap. We cannot sebut H. We cannot use the H. We say our, bukan our. Tak sebut tu. No, you don't say the H. You only say our. Sebab mula dengan A, O tu, that's why we use the word N. There's an hour before the show starts. Nanti ada quizzes, teacher tengok ada siapa pilih a hour, hantar rotan ya. Hour tu, N ke a? N hour. Yang tutup mic, tutup kamera tu, hour tu, N hour. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Okay. Now, can you copy the one in the box?
Yeah.
Jika ada, if you have, you say there is N. If you don't have, you say there isn't N. But both of them must be countable nouns. Dua-dua kita guna untuk countable nouns sahaja.
Done.
Done, teacher.
Okay.
I'm done.
Done.
Okay. Now let's try to do an exercise. We are going to look for the words given in the picture. Use the word apa yang kita belajar lah. Use the word or an and write sentences. I've already given you an example. These are the words that I've given you. We have the word book, stove, apple, oven, umbrella, and a door. Okay? So I have given you the sentence for book. All right? There, can someone read for me the example? Amar Khalif, tolong baca, read the example there.
There is a book in the kitchen.
Okay. So, ada tak buku? Can you see a book in the kitchen?
No.
No. All right. So, what must you say? There isn't. Gunalah apa yang kita belajar tadi. Isn't a book in the kitchen. So, teacher fokus. Apa yang teacher fokus? There is, guna apa yang kamu belajar tadi. Apa yang kamu salin. There is a or there is an. Kalau tiada, there isn't a or there isn't an. Alright? So, can you look for the words in the picture and write for me sentences. You can write in your exercise book or you can also write in the chat book so that I can see. All sentences should begin there is atau isn't, a atau an.
Teacher,
Yes.
example tu tak payah tulis dah. Yang book tu.
Yang tu done. Yang tu
Okay.
tak perlu tulis.
Mula dengan stove.
Yes. You continue with stove. Stove. Dalam bahasa Melayu siapa tahu stove?
Oven.
No, stove is different. Oven is different. Oven tu yang kita guna untuk bake cake. Stove kita guna untuk masak. Bukan dapur. Dapur is kitchen.
Dapur gas.
Dapur gas. Let me Google for you all. Wait. In English I know. In Malay I don't know. Wait. Tempat yang kita masak tu, letak kuali tu.
Oh, tempat masak.
Oh, dapur lah. Dapur. Then kitchen is what? Dapur juga.
Dapur.
Okay.
Dua-dua dapur.
Dua-dua dapur. Okay. Stove tu dapur. But that dapur tempat yang mak kamu letak kuali dan masak. Benda segi 4 ke atau rectangle tu. That's the one is stove. Very simple sentence. There is atau there isn't. A atau an. So you write a sentence. Bashar, check your sentence. Make sure write from the word stove. I want stove, apple, oven, umbrella, door. Must have 5. Jangan pilih ya. I didn't ask you to pilih ya.
Tak mana lagi?
Adra, very good. I want to see answers from everyone. Buat masa sekarang, I have Adra, Marisa and Bashar writing. Okay. Anis, cikgu nak tengok jawapan. Is Mubin, you're very quiet today. All done? No. Okay.
Dance.
No.
All right, all done?
Dan.
Bashar, check your last sentence. Okay, so let's see. What can I write for the word stove? What's your sentence for the word stove?
There isn't
There
a
isn't a
stove in the
stove.
kitchen.
There isn't a stove in the...
The kitchen.
Okay, good. There isn't a stove. How about apple?
There
There
is
is an
apple.
apple.
Okay, we are choosing there is a apple. Betul?
No.
No.
No? Kenapa?
No.
Why? What's wrong?
Sebab and to and.
And
Okay, there is an apple. Kenapa? Why? Because apple
the
starts
apple.
with vowel. All right, very good. How about oven?
There is an
Uh,
oven.
There is a oven, correct?
No.
No, there is an
and
oven.
oven.
How about umbrella?
There
There is an umbrella.
There isn't an umbrella. Okay, good. There isn't an umbrella. Very good. How about the last one? Door?
there is a door.
There is a
a
door. All right, very good. So are you clear where to use a, where to use an?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, you should be clear. Let's take a quick break before we move on to our next part. We need to learn only 2 more words, where to use those words. All right. Where is... Okay. Can you see my screen?
No.
No?
No. Oh, dah.
Ah,
Sekarang
done. Oh, okay. All right. Now, I can't make it bigger. Alamak. Is it too small for you?
tak lah, besar je.
Okay, all right. Apa jadi? Okay. Now we're going to find the hidden objects in the picture to the left. If you'd like clues, then you can select names or pictures above. But so we're going to find 1, 2, 6, 7, and 8. 8 of these pictures, if you have found, we'll go one by one. Maksudnya cikgu kata ice cream cone, then only you have to find for the ice cream cone. Okay? Kalau tak, you don't go for all of them. Once you have found, then you can circle it for me. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go with, please don't conteng my screen. Draw nicely, okay? Let's look for ice cream cone. Okay, good. We are done with ice cream cone. That was fast, good. Okay, how about bracelet? Oh, wow, good. Okay, correct answer. Cracker. All right, very good. Lajunya, so fast. Clothespin. Okay, good. Banana. Very good. That's not banana. All right, spoon. Very good. Paintbrush. Paintbrush. Spoon dah habis tak? Paintbrush. Alright, very good, Moaz. Last one, light bulb. Alright, very good. Okay, I think that was very easy for you all. Anyway, good job, good job. Alright. So, are we ready to move on to the next part? Which is very, very important. Okay. More important than the word and n. Itu macam biasa dah belajar. This one is the word some and any. Alright. Let's look at the word some first. Tak perlu salin ya. You don't have to copy because you already have your notes. Now, some is used for plural, countable, and uncountable nouns. Apa maksud plural?
Satu.
Banyak. Lebih dari
Banyak.
satu.
Very good. Lebih dari satu. More than one. What is countable?
Boleh
Boleh
dikira.
kira.
Boleh kira. What is uncountable?
Tak boleh dikira.
Tak boleh
Okay.
kira.
So, benda yang boleh dikira, tidak boleh dikira, dan banyak. Plural, we use some. Kita kena guna some. But the most important thing is, we use the word some for affirmatives. Maksudnya, ayat yang positif. Ayat yang apa? Positif.
Positif.
Okay. Kalau ada benda tu, baru guna some. Okay. Kalau ayat tu negatif, jangan guna some. Ayat tu positif. Ada benda tu, baru guna some. For example, tomatoes. Ada tak benda tu? There are tomatoes. So, can someone read for me? Alia Sophia, can you read for me the examples?
I buy some tomatoes from the market.
Okay. Why we use some?
Sebab dia positif.
Okay, sebab dia positif. Sebab lagi?
Accountable.
Okay, they are countable. Boleh dikira sama?
Dia banyak.
Plural.
Banyak. Alright, plural. So, gunalah some. Next one. Sophia, please read the next one.
Oh, say lagi. There are some books on the table.
Okay, very good. Everyone, some books on the table. So, first one, plural tak?
Yes.
Yes.
Plural.
Countable?
Yes.
Countable.
Yes. Affirmative tak? Positif tak ayat tu? Maksudnya ada ke tak?
Yes.
Ada, positif.
Ada.
So, mesti guna there are some books on the table. Similarly, there are some cookies in the jar. Next one, Alia, please read there is.
There is some milk in the
Refrigerator.
refrigerator.
Okay. Read the other one also, Alia. There is.
There is some money in my wallet.
Okay, very good. Now, can someone tell me? Untuk cookies, teacher guna there are some cookies. Untuk milk, teacher guna there is some milk. Kenapa? Kenapa teacher tak guna there are some milk?
Sebab tak boleh kira.
Very good. Sebab milk tu tak boleh kira. Benda yang tidak boleh kira, mesti guna is. Okay? Benda yang tidak boleh dikira, mesti guna is. Similarly, there is some money in my wallet. Maksudnya ada banyak lah kan? Some tu ada banyak lah kan? Tapi kenapa pula teacher tak guna? Yes. Tak boleh guna there are some money. Sebab apa?
Sebab setiap
Sebab?
negara lain-lain.
Sebab duit tak boleh kira.
Tidak boleh dikira. Untuk benda tidak boleh dikira, guna is some. Alright? Okay, can you copy this?
Yes.
But remember, ayat positif saja kita guna some. Copy ya. Copy the one only in the box.
Time.
No. None.
Okay, all of you done?
Start.
Alright. Now please remember, kalau benda yang tidak boleh dikira, okay, benda tidak boleh dikira, water, oil, happiness, money, semua ni tidak boleh dikira, mesti guna there is some. Kalau boleh kira, you can count, ada banyak boleh kira, tomatoes, books, cookies boleh kira, you say there are some. Okay? Now, this is for positive sentences. Ayat yang positif. Kalau ayat yang negatif, we use the word any.
Any.
Okay? Any is also used for plural. Maksud plural adalah
Lebih dari
Banyak.
satu.
banyak. Countable,
Boleh dikira.
uncountable.
Tak boleh dikira.
Okay, so
Boleh
benda boleh
dikira.
kira atau tidak boleh dikira, bolehlah guna any. Okay? So let's see benda yang boleh dikira. First we see benda yang boleh dikira. Can you count tomatoes?
Ya.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright. So if you can count tomatoes, how do you say? Wait, I want someone to read for me. Huwaina, read for me.
I didn't buy any tomatoes from the market.
Okay. I didn't buy any tomatoes from the market. Now baca ayat ni. Ayat ni positif ke negatif? Is this positive
Negative.
or negative? Yes, it
Negative.
is negative. Ada perkataan apa yang dia tunjuk negatif?
Didn't.
Didn't. Maksud didn't tu adalah did
Yeah.
not. Okay, tiada. Tidaklah. I didn't buy any tomatoes from the market. Tak boleh kata I didn't buy some tomatoes from the market. No. Sebab some tu untuk ayat yang positif. Kalau ayat negatif, use any. Next one. Huaina, read the next one. There aren't
Any books on the table.
read the next one. There
There aren't any cookies in the jar.
okay. So why did we use any? Kenapa kita guna any? Sebab ayat negatif. Tiada. Don't have. Don't have books, don't have cookies. That's why we use any. And we also use they aren't. Kenapa? Sebab books tu banyak. There aren't cookies in the jar. Alright? But jika benda tidak boleh dikira, for example, milk. Huaina, please read the last sentence.
There isn't any milk in the refrigerator.
Okay, refrigerator. Alright, let's see ya. Please take note. Milk, boleh kira ke tak?
Tak.
Tak.
Tak boleh kira. So, sebab tak boleh kira, janganlah guna there aren't. Guna isn't. Alright? Benda yang
Okay.
tidak boleh dikira ni selalunya singular, satu. So dikira sebagai isn't. Alright? There isn't any milk in the refrigerator. Why teacher didn't write some? Kenapa teacher tak kata there isn't some milk in the refrigerator?
Sebab negatif.
Sebab negative.
Yes, very good. Sebab ayat dia
Negative.
negative. Okay, you can write this. Oh, but also tulis besar-besar. Negative. Untuk some tu tulis positif ya. I forgot. Tadi cikgu dah lupa. Untuk some tu tulis positif. This one is negative. Tulis besar-besar.
Okay.
Dah.
Right.
Done.
Okay, all done?
Done.
All right. So where do we use the word
Satu.
Satu. All right, very good. Consonant or vowel?
Consonant.
Consonant. How about N?
Lebih banyak.
Singular.
Apa pula lebih banyak? Satu also.
Satu.
Apa perbezaan?
Vowel.
What is
Vowel.
vowel?
A-E-I-O-U.
I-O-U.
Okay. Where do we use some? Ayat yang
Positive.
positive. Kalau any?
Negative.
Negatif.
Negative. All right. That's the basic thing you need to remember from what we learned today. Okay? All right. Now let's try to answer these questions and then we can move on to your quizzes.
Okay.
Okay. Let's try number 1. We'll do it together, okay? There isn't water in the tea kettle. What do you think the answer is?
Any.
Very good. Any. Kenapa any?
Sebab dia isn't
Sebab tak boleh kira.
Very good. Very good. Isn't. Kalau ayat tu negatif, mesti guna any. Okay? Mr. Cook is having bread. Ayat positif. Ayat positif, betul lah. Then? Kenapa teacher tak boleh guna atau n? Kenapa nak guna some? Boleh lah kot kan?
Boleh guna some.
Boleh kot. Tu, bread. Betul? Okay. Cek balik nota tu. Tu kita guna untuk apa?
Singular.
Okay, singular, betul. Then?
Consonant.
Okay, lagi?
Singular.
Boleh dikira.
Benda yang boleh dikira saja boleh guna atau n. Bread boleh kira ke tak?
Boleh?
Boleh.
Aduh, sayangnya tak boleh kira. Cannot. How can you say, I want to eat 1 bread, 2 bread, 3 bread? No. Kalau roti, kata sekeping roti ke satu roti?
Sekeping.
Sekeping. Kalau ada satu buku, kita panggil lah sebuku roti. Betul kan? So the same for English also. Kalau one, you say a piece or a slice of bread. Or kalau yang satu buku tu, we say a loaf of bread. So maksudnya bread tak boleh kira. Kalau benda tidak boleh dikira, don't use don't use n. Use some.
Some.
Okay?
Okay.
Nampak tak? Memang boleh guna some, and n. Bagaimana kita nak tahu perbezaannya? Dengan n, we use only for countable. Tengok dulu benda tu boleh count or not. Okay? Next one. There aren't apartments to rent.
There aren't.
There aren't apartments to rent.
No.
Okay. What kind of sentence is this?
Any.
Any. Yes.
Any.
Why?
Sebab dia aren't. Negative.
Yes. Because it is negative. There aren't. We don't, number 4. We don't have cinemas here.
Any.
Any. Good. We don't have any cinemas here. Why?
Sebab aren't.
Sebab
Aren't.
don't. Sebab ada perkataan don't. Negative. Number 5. This is interesting newspaper.
This is
And.
Ada jawab n, ada jawab
And.
Okay, correct answer is n. Kenapa tak boleh guna
Sebab untuk
Tak pada
konsinen.
huruf N.
Huruf I, A, E, I, O, U mesti guna n. Kenapa pula tak guna some? There
Sebab
is some interesting newspaper.
sebab
No.
boleh
Yes, one.
Yes, sebab newspaper boleh dikira. Kalau boleh dikira, you can say atau n. Benda tidak boleh dikira baru guna some. Okay? Alright? Okay. Next one. Number 6. Little bit more. Is there any sugar in the kitchen? Yes, there is
Some.
some. Alright. Sugar tak boleh dikira. Okay? The Sharmas don't have
Any.
children.
Any.
Betul?
Any.
Why? Any?
Any.
sebab
Sebab don't.
Okay, very
Don't
good.
have N.
Sebab ada don't. Okay. Okay, good. Now teacher is going to call out someone to answer here. How about Zara, number 8? What is your answer? I don't have
any books.
any books to read. Okay, very good. Why? Because ada perkataan don't. Okay, good job. How about next one? Next one, Muaz. Muaz, number 9. Muaz. Muaz, boleh dengar teacher? Can you hear me? No. Next one, Haras. Haras. Baru nampak muka tadi. Haras. Anis, can you answer number 9? Do you have
Do you have a chair for me?
Do you have a chair for me? Okay. Now let me plus. Kalau soalan sama dengan negatif. Okay, kalau soalan guna any. Guna any. Sama je dengan negatif. Kalau ayat negatif mesti guna any, right? So the same thing. Kalau soalan also guna any. Okay? Alright, last one. Then number 10. There are boys in this class. Anyone? There are boys in this class.
Some boys.
Very good. There are some boys in this class. More than one. Kalau one baru guna a atau an. Kalau more than one you use some. Sebab ayat tu positif. Kalau they aren't baru guna any. Kalau they are guna some. Alright? Okay everyone, are you clear?
Yes.
Very clear? Alright, let's go and see
Very.
if you are very clear. You can click on the link in the chat box.
Okay.
Where to use some? Ayat positive. Where to use any? Ayat negative. How about soalan?
Any.
Negative.
Sama dengan negatif. Alright, soalan dengan negatif, it is the same. Dengan n, jika satu, then you can choose dengan n. Bagaimana nak tahu perbezaan? Vowel and consonant. Your link is in the chat box. You can start clicking on it. Check your notes before you answer. All right, all of you done?
Done.
Okay, good. So congratulations to those who have done a very good job. Most of you got 25 over 25. Excellent job, everyone. 24 is still good. 21 is still good. 11 and 10, you have to improve. Okay? You have to do a lot more of exercises. Now, so that's what we learned today. We learned forwards. And some and
Some, any.
any. Kalau and guna untuk satu benda yang boleh
Boleh kira.
Boleh
dikira.
dikira.
Okay. Some tu boleh guna untuk
Positif.
Positive.
positive. Very important, positive. Kalau any guna untuk ayat negative or question. Jika soalan pun boleh guna negative. Alright, I will be posting your homework. Please take some time to do your homework. And thank you so much for joining us. See you next class. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Great.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.
Goodbye.